Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video I will show you how to connect or link your watch GShock GD-B500 to your smartphone, and in this case I'm using an Android smartphone. But first you will need to install this application, the Casio watches. But okay, I have already linked my watch to my phone, this one, so let me delete it first so I can show you how to set up from the basic. Wait a moment. Delete watch info. Okay, yes, so this is going to be the screen that you get when you haven't add any watch to synchronize to your application. So it will show registering your watch, and yes, make sure that the Bluetooth setting on your smartphone is active, like this one. Okay, and then after that you can just press this one, the plus sign on the bottom right of the application, and it will show something like this. So it requires you to input the module code here. The module code for this one, GD-B500, is 3552. So you will need to input here 3552. Let me zoom in. Okay, here 3552. And then after that, press this one, the next button or the next icon. Okay, and yeah, it will show these options, GD-B500 or GD-B500S. So yeah, we will just tap this one. I'm using GD-B500. Okay, and now it will show like this, GD-B501 or GD-B507. So whichever that you choose, the same as your watch. So I will choose this one, GD-B500, and this is the purchase date and so on. You can input as needed. So let me just try to input something like this, and then you can rename the watch. So this one is GD-B500, but I will just leave it like that. But maybe you can my GD-B500 or something. Okay, and then tap this one, register, and done. And now the next step is to activate the connecting mode on your watch, and to do that, make sure you are in the timekeeping mode. Okay, so maybe press and hold. Okay, and then to activate the connecting mode, press and hold longer until you see the CNCT on the display. Okay, and the Bluetooth, this one, the Bluetooth icon is flashing, and now as you can see here, it's already connecting to the phone. And yes, just let it do the job. So now pairing complete. I hope I can show you on the screen. Okay, pairing complete, and tap this one, close, and done. Now you can input birth date, sex, height, weight, target steps, and so on to help to set up the step tracker. And then after that, send setting to the watch, this one. You need to tap some other options. This one is save power, so let me just focus on the smartphone. Okay, next, this one is power saving. Okay, this one is app information. Okay, and done. Yes, you have pair or link your smartphone to your watch GD-B500. And now what we can do after the pairing, there's a lot that we can do. You can set the watch using the menu here. So this one, as you can see here, it has settings for the alarms like this. And then yes, you can activate alarm using your smartphone. Okay, and timer and so on. Also the the phone finder and so on, you can activate. So let me activate the phone finder here. Activate phone finder. Okay, I choose the tone, then yeah, okay, time synchronization and so on. You can browse through the menu. It's very easy and very intuitive. And yeah, done. So let me just return to this screen, and now you can synchronize the time or get, or let's say download the time from the smartphone by pressing this one, the search button on the bottom right. So let me focus more on the watch. Okay, yes, now yes, because it's still in the connecting mode, so now I will need to stop the connection mode, and to do that, press the mode button, and now we return to the timekeeping mode. And to download or to get the time synchronization manually from the smartphone, just press this one, the search button, and it will show time, and then the Bluetooth icon is flashing or blinking, and it is now connecting to the smartphone. So yeah, you see the watch also just showing okay. And another thing you can do is activate the phone finder. And to use the phone finder, easy. Let me zoom out a bit. You can press and hold this one, the search button, until it shows fine, and then double beep and let the watch alert the smartphone to make that sound. Okay, we can press again this search button to stop the tone. And yes, there are also many things that we can do, and actually you can set up many things from your smartphone to the watch. Just make sure you are in the connection mode. And yeah, once more, if you want to use the connection mode from your watch, easy, just press and hold the mode button until it shows CNCT, and then double beep and release the button, and now it is connecting. And after this, you can adjust and set your watch from your smartphone. But anyway, I will still show you how to set the watch manually or directly to the watch without smartphone, because I'm sure many of you want to set also the watch as you want on the watch itself, not from the smartphone. Okay, and yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial is useful, and have a great day.